opinions is very crucial in IELTS Writing Task-2, and this is also important to fulfill task achievement. Let us consider this question. Some people think that students in high school should not waste their time studying literature such as poems and novels. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? This question requires a personal opinion about what you think and the reasons for your opinion. It is advisable that you give two main reasons and present the same in the two body paragraphs. Check out the caption to know the exact essay writing pattern and follow Band 9 IELTS to learn the best strategies for IELTS examination.